Hey guys, this is Han. Welcome back to my channel. I just came back from work and don't mind my face. This is a little more makeup than usual. I figure I'd show you how I remove all this craziness. Taking care of my skin by giving myself a really deep cleanse, a nice facial, and a rejuvenating sheet mask. Step number one is to take off most of the color. When I don't have all this craziness, it's usually just taking off like mascara and foundation and lipstick to take off the colors. I'm using a face wipe from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I find it very similar to like Neutrogena face wipe. Let me remove my eyelashes first. Okay, so I take a cleansing wipe. I work on my eyes first, and my eyes, I try not to tug and pull on my eyes. It's just like a slow circular motion. All of the makeup. Ready to see this? Ew. So all of this is on my face. And now let's head over to the bathroom and we'll keep going. And we're back. So the next step is Apricot Blemish Control Face Scrub. Get the beads scrubbing and cleaning out your pores. So I use this DERMABRASION by Olay. Scoop out a little bit of it. It looks like that. And then there's an Peel Activator Serum. And I just mix those two together. Sponge head. And then go to town. And around the eye area, kind of like more careful about it. And just massage. And clean the brush head. So even though we had taken 2 prior steps with removing the makeup with makeup wipe and exfoliating scrub, this one just takes it to the next level to really deeply exfoliate and take off dead skin cells, provide moisture, and just really give your skin a really nice massage. So just gonna let my face breathe a little bit, and meanwhile, I'm gonna brush my teeth. dry. Look at this. Nothing on the towel. I have my little whitening strips friend here. And then this is my sheet mask. Sorry, now I have a lisp. I buy this in bulk from a Chinese supplier off of Amazon. And then each of these sheet masks, I mean, there's so many of them. I just might buy the multi-pack. This one is platinum, collagen, charcoal, aloe, tea, just random, snail, cucumber. So these are just really fun. All different scents, all different skin enhancing properties. So when you open the pack, it's just a really nice, like, wet sheet. And then the rest throw it to my neck. Let me go change, and then I'll meet you in the bedroom.